Hey traders, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. And make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe. But this is the weekly watch list for November 29th, 2021. This is not good, people. Not good at all. Stock market is crashing. Listen. We kind of told you last week, my call was, I thought we were going to go a little higher, which we actually did on Monday. And we created this divergence that I said to keep an eye out for. We were starting to create the divergence. We had it. Market looked above and then failed, but we did make highs. And then with the new variant that's going on, that just popped up, not good. I think the market is given a reason to now sell, if that makes sense, right? I don't think this is buy every single dip anymore. Like I don't think we're going to go down for 2 days. Whenever you close at the lows, this is kind of a very kind of telltale of we'll probably gap lower Sunday evening. I would be surprised if we actually gapped higher, because I think the news for the next week or two can only get worse with what's going on. So just something to be aware of. Bigger picture, I am bearish. If we do get any rallies, I would definitely be watching this low volume node levels. Also this prior support level we blew right through, which is right up around the 46.22 levels. With that being said, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you guys a free Black Friday gift to make sure you guys check out my trade zones, right? So instead of giving you guys any specials, anything like that, like everybody does, I'm just going to give you the trade zones for this coming week. Hopefully you guys will like them. You'll sign up for them. So here are the trade zones right here. Of what we're going to be looking for. So any type of rallies, I'll just kind of name them off right now. We're looking at around the 46, 15 to 17 level. Okay, the next trade zones higher up are right here on the screen, 46.41 and a quarter to 43 and a quarter. The next trade zones are 46.55 to 50, 750, and then down below we have them 43.75 to 45.75. But again, you could see them here on the screen. So just some very right here 4,500. So hopefully that helps. Again, $50 for a lifetime subscription for these weekly trade zones. We've been killing them in the Discord chat room too, so make sure you guys check out my free Discord. I give you guys intraday zones for free for right now, so hopefully those have been doing really, really well. But going back to the overall market, I actually think we are going lower. I won't be surprised if we end up like around this 43.50 level by the end of next week. So just something to be aware of. I actually think we could see a big gap lower Sunday, but who knows? Kind of see where we open and go from there. But I think we could see a big flush over the next over the next week. So that's it. Let's take a look at the NQ. Nice head and shoulders starting to form right here. Shoulder, head, shoulder, and here's our neckline. Watch that for a break. If we break, watch the slower trend line. I would probably bring this trend line down here. And if we drew a fib extension, I could probably just eyeball it. We'll probably end up right at the lower trend line at some point. And look at this, right? Ugly, ugly, ugly. More downside. CL got smacked today. Again, whenever you have news event, markets really don't care about fib levels or trade zones, anything like that, right? So just something to keep an eye on with crude oil. I think we're right here. Maybe we get down to the 61 level. Might be a nice little buy zone down there on crude oil, which will also be this low right here. So kind of multiple things line up, low volume node on here, and also a swing low, because this swing low has to be held up. So so the market doesn't collapse. So that's what's going on there. Bitcoin slash BTC. I told you guys 5,400 was my number, and look at this, came right down to 54,000. Right there, bounced a little bit. We're seeing here, broke this bigger trend line. This just a lot of things I don't like going on with Bitcoin, the cryptos. I think when they sell, let's sell everything. I would now be watching this 51,000 level on Bitcoin. Gold, GLD, kind of had a reversal gapped and then sold off. Gold, nothing on gold. Sit on your hands. I think we would have to get probably above Friday's high of 169, we'll call it 169. I would actually become bullish again on gold, but again, this is a typical sell everything, even gold's down. So normally you would see something like that, kind of with the market sell off gold higher, but they're selling everything. It's a pure liquidation. Same with silver. Silver, maybe watch right around this 2050 level, somewhere around here. I like silver just for a small bounce. And then finally, I'm going to show you the ugliest chart that I've seen in a long time, and that is Apple. Look at this, massive. I told you guys earlier in the week, I did a midweek update. I said, hey, I'm bearish Apple. Doesn't look good with the shooting star. Call it gravestone doji. Call it an upside down hammer. Call it whatever you want. All it is it's going to smack everything down. And that's what's going on with Apple. Also, this looks like a very classic blow off top, because look at the excess that we have up here on our market profile. I'm going to show you a very similar chart where price went sideways for a really long time, okay? And I just, so you guys could see something that kind of sideways action right here, breaks out, blow off top. What do you think is going to happen? We're going to probably come right back into here, and there's a very similar chart. AMZN, Amazon, did the same exact thing over here. Blow off, reversed, and kind of went sideways and died for a while. So maybe Apple does the same thing. So I'm going to say dead money on Apple. Any rallies, I think you could actually sell into. If it gets back up to the 160, look for potential shorts. But I think Apple is, I think the markets are broken for the next few weeks. We'll put it that way. So be careful out there. But with that being said, watch for pullbacks at certain basic levels and start selling puts on things you like. Implied volatility is massive right now. Look at this spike all the way up to we'll say about 29. I don't think we just stop here and reverse. Like I said, I think news is very bad. I won't be surprised if we get up to the 40s in the VIX before this is all over. So hopefully that helps. As always, links down below for everything, and thank you always, and be very careful next couple weeks, guys, or next week in the market. Till then, we'll talk to you soon.